Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about 5 best ways to make money online daily in 24 hours. If you're looking for some quick and easy ways to earn money online, then this video is for you. Let's get started. First way, paid surveys. The first way to make money online daily in 24 hours is by taking paid surveys. Many companies are willing to pay for your opinions, and you can earn anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars per survey. Some popular survey sites include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Toluna. Just be aware that you won't get rich from taking surveys, but it's a great way to earn some extra cash in your free time. Second way, freelance writing. The second way to make money online daily in 24 hours is by doing freelance writing. If you're a good writer, you can earn money by writing blog posts, articles, or even ebooks for other people. You can find freelance writing jobs on sites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. The amount you can earn will vary depending on your experience and the type of writing you do, but it's a great way to turn your writing skills into cash. Third way, virtual assistant. The third way to make money online daily in 24 hours is by becoming a virtual assistant. Many small business owners and entrepreneurs need help with tasks like email management, social media management, and bookkeeping. If you have good organizational and communication skills, you can offer your services as a virtual assistant. You can find virtual assistant jobs on sites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Indeed. Fourth way, online tutoring. The fourth way to make money online daily in 24 hours is by doing online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer your services as an online tutor. Many students and parents are looking for tutors to help with homework, test preparation, and academic subjects. You can find online tutoring jobs on sites like Chegg, TutorMe, and Wyzant. Fifth way, affiliate marketing. The fifth and final way to make money online daily in 24 hours is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process of promoting other people's products and earning a commission on each sale. You can promote products through social media, email marketing, or your own website. Some popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. So there you have it, 5 best ways to make money online daily in 24 hours. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, these methods can help you earn money online. Just remember that it takes time, effort, and dedication to make money online. But with the right strategies and mindset, you can achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.